As a rider, that's one of the most important aspects that I can bring to my job here at Harley-Davidson because I live and breathe what we do.
We look at form, fit, function, and look. Those are the 4 key essentials with our team as we're developing product.
The hides we use are superior qualities, made for abrasion resistance.
And the color is tanned all the way through the leather.
We could talk all day about quality, but I think when it gets down to it, the best thing that can describe our quality is just by asking one of your buddies how long he's had a jacket.
I think the greatest thing that we can pay attention to is new innovation, new technology.
There was a lot of discussion around how do we build reflectivity into a jacket, for example, that's right for the brand and that conveys the look that our riders want to wear. So we started to build custom colorized reflective material. What we came to find is that our customers not only wanted it, they wanted more of it.
We are true to our heritage, the merge of technology, functionality. Then it goes through the filter of how can we make it better and how can we do it different.
And I think about being at a rally and having a woman come up to me and say, "Thank you so much for making the waist adjustable on this jacket."
Just very, very different styling from where we were how many years ago, where women's were just a downsized version of men's. So we have power stretch, we have side panels that contour the sides of her waist and give her that hourglass shaping. We have adjustability in our cuffs, pre-curved sleeves.
When I see a woman put on a jacket and see her smile, I know I've done something right, and it makes me feel really great that they feel great.
At the end of the day, I'm able to share with my fellow riders the blood, sweat, and tears that we put into every jacket.
We really fight to make sure that the right quality is going on.
These are products for riding, designed by riders. There is no imitation.